Hey True holders, this is going to be a really quick video showing you how you can deposit TUSD into the TrueFi Lending Pool and start earning whatever APY is currently listed on the dashboard page. So what you're going to need is a self-custody wallet, whether that's MetaMask or a mobile wallet like Argent or Trust Wallet, some Ether in your wallet to pay for gas transactions, and then finally some TUSD, however much TUSD you would want to deposit into this lending pool. Once you have all of that, head over to app.truefi.io, go to the pool page, hit lend in the top right corner, input the amount of TUSD that you want to deposit, agree to the terms of use, hit lend, and now you're going to get a confirmation from your MetaMask or whichever wallet provider you're using, and you're going to want to confirm the transactions here. I'm not going to go through with this transaction just because it's $44 to paying gas in order to lend $64 of TUSD. But yeah, that's it. That's how you would deposit TUSD into the lending pool.